Hello guys, today we're going to make a croissant with Nutella inside. You can use any ready-made puff pastry available in your supermarket. So just flatten it out. Okay, so we're just going to flatten out the dough. We want to make it as even as possible into a rectangular or a square. It's up to you. You're gonna make it this shape like a rectangular shape afterwards. Then you have to trim off the edges, so you have to remove that uneven sides, so it will be nice when we roll out. Now we have to divide the dough into like 6 pieces. Okay, so like it's kind of rectangular, but make it as even as possible, even sizes, so it will be look nice once you roll it out. Okay, so once you finish, you divide the dough into depends on how much sizes do you want. So scoop in the Nutella cream in each of the pieces. Okay, so once you're done putting Nutella in each of the puff pastry dough, we have to roll it out, but be gentle. Be careful not to squeeze out the cream from both sides. Okay, now we have to transfer our puff pastry filled with Nutella onto a baking sheet. Make sure you layered it with the parchment paper or grease it with an oil or baking spray or butter. It's totally up to you. Okay, before you put it in the oven, we're gonna do the basting. You can brush it's either milk or a beaten egg. Just brush it on top. Okay, so this goes into preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, depends on your oven type, and bake it until golden brown. Take it out, and you can sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of it, or you just can leave it out just like that. So we're done. The puff pastry was cooled down, and we sprinkled some powdered sugar or icing sugar, and ready to serve. You can serve it on tea time, or serve it as a dessert, or some kind of, snacks. It's up to you. It's delicious. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification